So as a teacher, you can also share lesson plans that already exists inside of Autodesk Tinkercad. So in order to do that, on the top hand corner, you can see that I'm in my home page, and in the top right hand side, there's this teach as an option. So once I click on teach, what happens is that this is what you have. So you have Autodesk Tinkercad right here, and then here you can see that you can go around and then explore lesson plans which the students can use to learn out the software. So here you can see that there's different type of lesson plan like recreate pattern found in nature and so forth right here. So if you want to share this with the students, then simply select it out and then you can click on send to students. Once you do send to students, you can copy out the link to share this lesson directly with your students, or you can share it via Google Classroom as well. So I'm just going to go and say copy link. So once I do that, the link is can be pasted anywhere, and then once the student actually accesses that out, they will be able to see this exact lesson right here. So depending on what lesson they have, the guided instructions are there, everything is designed, and you can just go around and share a particular link to the students just like that. And that is how you can share out lesson plans to students from Autodesk Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.